Welcome to Spotted. We tell you the who, where, and what about your favorite celebrities.
Sanjay Dutt was spotted outside his residence on August 18 as he left for Mumbai's Kokilaben Hospital, where he has been going for medical treatment. As he left for the hospital, he said, "Pray for me." Sanjay Dutt was accompanied by his wife Manyata Dutt. She recently returned from Dubai, where she was stuck with their kids Shahran and Ikra due to the lockdown after the coronavirus outbreak. In a statement, Manyata said, "Every battle has a torchbearer and someone who holds the fort." Priya, who has worked extensively over 2 decades with her family-run cancer foundation and who has also seen her mother battle this illness, has been our incredible torchbearer while I will hold the fort. She went on to inform, "Sanju will complete his preliminary treatment in Mumbai. We will formulate further plans of travel depending on how and when the COVID situation eases." As Sanjay Dutt left for the hospital, his sisters Priya and Namrata were also there. Earlier this month, Sanjay Dutt was admitted to Lilavati Hospital after complaining of breathlessness. He tested negative for COVID-19, but later he announced that he would be taking a short break from work. Reportedly, Sanjay Dutt has been diagnosed with lung cancer. World Humanitarian Day is celebrated annually on August 19. This year, tribute is being paid to all those real-life heroes who have taken immense efforts and helped the needy amid the coronavirus outbreak. Many celebs have also helped the needy amid coronavirus pandemic and also during other crises. Priyanka Chopra supports many social causes. She has been working with UNICEF since 2006 and was appointed as the National and Global UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador for Child Rights in 2010 and 2016 respectively. She also runs her own foundation, Priyanka Chopra Foundation for Health and Education. Another actor, Sonu Sood, has been like a savior or guardian angel to thousands of stranded Indian migrant workers amid the lockdown. He has been arranging buses, special trains and other modes of transportation to help these migrants reach home safely. Salman Khan has been involved in various charities and he's also the founder of the NGO Being Human. Amid this ongoing coronavirus crisis, Salman has also extended support to local villagers by providing them with necessary supplies. He financially supported the daily wage workers of the film industry. Amitabh Bachchan has donated humongous amount to clear the deaths of farmers in Andhra Pradesh, Vidarbha and Bihar. Dia Mirza, the former Miss Asia Pacific, is known to be vocal for environmental issues, animal rights and also has been involved in various welfare activities for children. Meanwhile, the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is just a few days away and the preparations have begun. Sonu Sood is arranging transportation for migrants to reach home and celebrate the festival with their family. Indian singer and rapper Badshah has been in hot waters for the past few days. It was a while back when it was claimed that the singer had paid Rs 72 lakh for churning additional views on one of his music videos. The reason was being reported as Badshah wanted to break the viewership record. He was even questioned by the police twice. And now, as per ANI, the singer will now be investigated by the Criminal Investigation Unit in Mumbai. Reportedly, 20 prominent personalities have been interrogated in the case. Meanwhile, Siddharth Malhotra may be at home but he's already dreaming of going places and that clearly reflects in his latest Instagram post. The actor recently shared his current bucket list where he wants to travel again, meet his family, dine out, get adventurous, get back on the set and meet everyone again. Vicky Kaushal is teaming up with former Miss World Manushi Chillar in an upcoming comedy film produced by Yash Raj Films as per INS. An Independence Day announcement by YRF stated that Aditya Chopra, on the 88th birth anniversary of his father, Lead filmmaker Yash Chopra on September 27 will be announcing a massive slate of projects backed by their production house Yash Raj Films. The announcement will mark the 50-year completion celebration of the banner. Sara Ali Khan and Kartik Aaryan found a spot on the list of trends. Several websites reported that they have unfollowed each other on Instagram. Sara Ali Khan and Kartik Aaryan, who co-starred in Imtiaz Ali's 2020 film Love Aajkal, were reportedly dating, and their recent social media activity hints at a possible breakup. It was reported that Sara and Kartik started dating during the filming of Love Aajkal. They frequently shared adorable BTS pictures from the shooting, which backed the dating rumor, but neither of them officially accepted or refuted the reports. Meanwhile, the ever-young boy of Bollywood is also trending. 63-year-old Anil Kapoor is considered to be one of the fittest actors in Bollywood, and there's absolutely no denying that. The actor's latest post on Instagram proves why. He shared pictures from his home workout session, and you will just be in awe of his physique. Anil Kapoor's post got a big shout out from Bollywood actors. Sunil Shetty, Varun Dhawan and others complimented the star. Anil Kapoor was clicked by the paparazzi in the city. The handsome actor posed for the cameras with the face mask on.